even last 2 weeks man ina invite Mario to come me obi me ya de kan na you do na why call here to na block him. He was fighting everybody normal way me Brocus error but when why cause we ni ri me ya we me because me emi me jo bi methodology na yeti moria e Brocus na why your boy dole boeji o ipo na mo eboni na mu kin ame mi egbe ibere wa e mo gbejo pupo gba minaji ana fi wa agbada be ana fi we o sisi una azoli gele ya yen gbere at the end of the day who sat there boni ne una gbere pe mo eboni una mu kin ne re e mo gbe naji ame mi egbe ibere o papa Brocus ere wa yasunu ni me ege me yasu alele meta na o he was ni a teacher dofo ni na notafo even say do na be teacher topic opa where do kekene o tega irie no lo ye kotion a e na be buajo na a mistake ro maybe e kwikwe bubu e bia kan yakin amae ege na ya azo enia ena was sunuverio ena wo je na ge be na be egbe no kwa je na be egbe no large abe egbe no ipolo gbe no se no na do mi we 18 gari 18 so was sunu iya na jo me Facebook na ide na na agbo ye joja egbe na na ki WhatsApp group family group na ja egbe be de mistake video na aro ga ya de ko egbe bi si agari se o wa agi zo enia ena we di me ga ya we be ge na ja we no pa layin egbere maybe we topic in yani, but I was so shocked where a baby na a Brocus you. Manobe siko ebe ni meje no we are gele we are ba making me picture by picture there apart from a page me ba ni oje. Okay, it up I never try am. Put a better Roman no you are free to put it but gbebo ije we yana na when the dog mo yin si so where ye wa we to pugbe no we do wen go we do we sese sokin where ebe no eru gbe yo eri me we ti do ka we ma be we gbina do de profile ni mu jo we ru do ni do aro fiu pege o gwa no kwa o edo e mi no gba wa ya we se wa bi da meri atogo we se.
Okay. Before that talk, bros, mudane wa agwa. Brocus, we ni ye boyita what in one you are.
Need 1 minute ya respond. A few minutes. Niamo bota where una most of ye boy and ETCJ deal me ni winya personally as an individual. I assume that majority of them hear me one personal thing do tawe iwinya. Render it is the other way around. A topic in the mobile host TV platform, man. Mobile see itamere. Emi mama na gwori gbehu. Vi have only la le fenata. Iye boyire no so not ye mo ba. Iye we preshi lile do. Onyo see we yan we audion wabo hanwa. O mani kakabo respect no. I platform man. Ikwe no marok ba in sote if il est makwaru dai a platform aurait a platform aurait il met the record of a minutana e vanina do hen where uswe manoti mogyo ba e gangini yen de bayane yen bi amu meye kunwa ogoni me bi ariene me ma wo magi disavo ni o devil if you ta sérieux avec azagba avec betiotare we nye kole even ya segbe video ni wu ore da de va da lo vie kotion manoku ve ya iriyan sho ni gbe yan sho eniyan ve ya supon pa no ve ni meje ya respect ma iyo no mani ri ogo meme ve ni ye boy yi otina yi me personal issue with e mata no we ogeleta mame we ni mu amaze oge oloyiye azagba meri supon pa no ibe ginya we eti saga professor he do ta severio mokifesi we a tradition ima wa no arrive va e me na be mo la dia ya we topic we in our tradition we can marry two sisters ina be do explain we mi ya fefefe even you explain any di e ma be na be give opinion rien e gani i mo me vita me bi aroto between a save Ivigbo no veri va dota we emi awa no sunu so mena be a convince ya we give no je tradition awa egbe na ya egbo pa ere mi ku ni kana oriye platform me ere oloyi to bo ma we ni remove picture na o ma me problem with the picture na but o ma be ni ye boy ye the some other people ro difference ni ya me with wa no kwa ya mo topic yo to ya mo ha we no na concern wa no kwa ni egun kan so vogi me zevo vie do platform in traditional platform in the cultural things if whoever so a picture o mo no kwa o no concern a picture o ma no be redo iye ti be discuss e ba sagbaba so yan ga ire yan na we ni remove na we remove imabe we topic we gwa dota ma me we ni mo picture yan are yan pa ye topic ni ri yan ateni o wi me ila kegbe mi veri o yan ya hen ibe kwe na agun anya gbe so emi ya fe nota you understand the point of view oge so pon pa no yan we akonba me ye gwi yo pa yan yeye iki atita ma na we mi no we to offend mo ma offend me a topic me or o ma we mo so ibe ati blame me ya nota ibe a view oge the side of a story oge so that is just it.
Okay. Lucky.
Bro,
I greet
bro,
you. So you
I
get
don't
what
know,
you want to
bro.
ask her?
Yeah, I get question for her. Thank God, say you still bring me up. Why? You not person wey be say you respect everybody with your platform here, you know. And secondly, you be person wey be say get patient to analyze some kind issue, and God will bless you. And Brocus, I hear everything where everybody they talk since. Nobody will even come here come give you have we can answer you with question. No, nobody. The waiting they come here for now advice that they give you. You understand? But try no listening and take care of what you are saying. You understand? And you now person will be see everybody love you. Everybody like you. You understand? And he watch a profile with ban, but we are how Uma is sort Oba. But you know to me a picture monoba na mo body. Why one area with platform but area with a profile
Point of correction on wa egwu
What?
edo ya pitan we do wa dion ewu hanwa ima time we ima insote oba iwe minita we ima ri platform me eso mu picture ba yo eso le mu yo iya wo ba irin ya no iya de gist topic in the host iya bi arovie me rovie rame then usun ya na iya ref every time do attack me adin are ya na do arovie me rovie rame ibi arovie mani ya wo irin ya which is oba or even nikata sin no wa
Okay. What?
koda
Wami Edon Prince. On va see no. Everyone here agree. We work best na more than 4-5 hours. We are profile na. E mas already do isote do well. And e mas already do give you well advice without who advice where okekene pay well. Omo oron pa bi omo o se anamne we era gbo era no bi we ere meno.
Yes.
You understand? Era no bi we ere meno era no bi me ere we no. Why una omo menwa no nwa kwakpa. E go pa se wana ba. Wana kama we ege ni na nwa de. Aha me we wa fi pe gregwa. Uyu nu won to gelegele. Eri awe owunu enwe as far we ke hotel dore ne and APC na no we ban we a monkey face abi mi ati
Monkey face,
una
monkey
we
face.
uke tem pa una we ve no ye in amako kesi era mako kesi
Oh, how about okay, how about?
abat sorry abat una we ve na bat ye una we o video ni era mako kesi and we had already question him and budu no we sina advice him and budu give you we mad ye me
Network you bro, network you sees.
so emi ni only give you a picture nínú wẹ̀ mú yẹ nọ̀rẹ́ èmi náà wẹ̀ ni tra ní yàrá mu vẹ̀ ló dá ọba ẹ̀ na yóò pa mi sì kàn kó eri mma ya nọ aspa àwọn ma kó tọ̀ n'ẹ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀ náà ẹ̀ ma ya tà sí wẹ̀ o profile wẹ̀ ẹ̀ ma ya na do a igun asin bí nu wẹ̀ ìjókìí crack o everything o. Everybody love you. They like you. That's why they talk for your matter good. It's not that maybe they hate you. Nobody hate you, but the worst thing, if you get go at place now. Lao.
Okay,
Wow.
where's my brother?
Don't
My
please
grace.
Lao. Don't please go
Yeah.
Lao. Then where you now first time they are follow. You
Yeah. Mona
understand?
follow this page. Mona follow this page. If you never follow this page, follow her now. Oh yeah, bros, carry on.
Then you ime wa we owo ogbogbo obiwe
Yeah.
obi gbogbo ere me era no bi me o si mi ogbe mi
Ogbeni.
no nya so me no regwasko
Yeah. Ogbemi.
o fese we do we na we ma
Yeah.
be why why
Why? Who marry why? Why we maji? Who marry rapper?
opa me kanana opa be why opposite
No.
moga we
Eweka remember why? Eweka.
okay we carry we be why
Yeah.
okay sorry ere me o si mi ogbe mi no nya so me no regwasko
Bros, later do turning. Lam make na go na imam bu ere mani agun. Ni make na me chance ya igun.
Okay. So,
Grace, talk to us.
Now, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Brocus, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
What thing I want to talk for this matter be say when I know Brocus.
I beg my sister, may you not first wait first. Person where they write something here say that brother they control Brocus and he use a dope person, he use a dope to write his name. Beg everyone die so himana. He how we do. Ọgbọ́n yẹn máa wait to control a Brocus no drop a picture baba. Ọgbọ́n yẹn máa na lawa de this thing block the person.
Okay, I block it. Why is it? You have a problem. You have a problem with here.
My sister, may you talk.
So what thing I get for this matter, Brocus not be another person for us. Now our brother. Otima no. You understand? Our brother and my person. Even me say Brocus know who they talk. Sometimes if I dey down for there, he go try to carry me call up. I dey run because as the thing can't be like say man, the matter come dey worse, e no gree change. So me sef I no come dey gree dey enter a platform again. May e no come be say I dey support am for wetin e dey do. You understand? Brocus, wetin I know Brocus know that time be say im dey talk about, im dey defend Benin people wey be say wey dey husband house, wey dey go outside. Im dey talk am well say e no good, na abomination. You understand? So one certain time me come tell am say I no be Benin I marry. He come say so you go marry, you leave your own person go marry another tribe, all those talk. So because if you do me wetin I no like I go saga you. I come say no saga me, we come dey use am dey joke. You understand? So I no really understand why Brocus come deviate for wetin dey talk before. he can't enter the other one because sometimes if I just they look because the way they cost the thing I can't imagine say na Brocus be this. I'm not sure say na him.
Before my sister, before be not they do all those things.
The thing they surprise me oh. They know they do am before. Everybody like this man. Everybody. The way we take they joke, the way we take they talk. Ọ̀sàkúnìyàn ẹgbà ènìyàn rẹ̀ ní Jésù ọ̀sàkúnìyàn so I don't
So
understand because if
they make all of they make all of they laugh before.
afana if they make us sometimes afternoon like this that I never dey work afternoon like this so if I out there as e go dey like I wan enter all of us go just dey gist we just dey gist like this e go say all those women wey marry wey dey do this
Aya
that you understand.
wa pente Brocus.
No be petty if you wan talk finish abeg no
Because you
interrupt
reach
me.
your turn now, say turn web now.
Ebe arena na ozedo ledo. Wa wiwe do wa hin wa ya siezo. Egbe re na o si problem.
Ebo weze si we meze dokpa imanasi.
Be were we gi me to gi me.
My sister that we were moved to work brother na gwan. She's
Ime do afọ eta ma me ni mama yes very o. Don't say that let me finish please.
Grace, quit talking.
Emi no se no na wo ni ma ze bo zo that e ma ni me do ni ya ya on.
Why zedo my
Ivani manamo imakoto. Ili boalare
Mama Grace, Zedo.
Zedo.
Okay.
Speak English. Ima ya mwene Zedo is short. Zedo.
It's alright, Oma. So, if your man me so that no other person will go. No la Brocus. No a platform we no car before. Who you continue? Why me my yard dey gbebere. You understand any measure? Una continue, but I will still come if you are there. Why we money? If the be are there, you understand? Hey, it's your bonne babala o. Ime you we. Eri meno. When you only baby but you as a father, area worry because nothing very me. He is a palace when I bring you come in my way when I do in the Roma. Area yari ni baba. All the baba can question all say. What? Look here, what? Oh, me I no how before I win. Where's you?
Let's see my sister. Sammy, talk to us.
Why I talk by wadomo wakakada wadomo sa anyone wari rite eri an wawatashi ya wagba no magbaro ya walawa Brocus na otere no eri ya ni watashi ya mata no ebopa makere egbe aredo
Why Bagedo Akiri?
Otere ne kere no na ya you understand so we may do surprise.
Brocus.
Ma wa filter with platform.
Otwen remana, otwen akina oya.
Yeah, one of one.
Okay.
So if we are watching here wagba, so we may be surprised. Even surprised the way you want to lie as if any redo eat or in we your trigger over no matter what. La hotel imia anybody no tell me really offend or no we offend or tell me waya muyoto wa mufwa and waga ku no waga temokpa so that no ye do make kinaya atom maybe believe you when waya gwasin or la tell me ho nyewe ho money you dey money ho na me understand na wa be me we ke baba na pa emi ya no carry o we gbe we so we awe wala wo wa regui
Brocus, when not when higher.
Kakabo yeme nata.
Okay,
Yeme
so
nata. When the characters no one talk by bohia. Kodadi. When characters in where platform event so mamo we understand. They are waiting fee with here. Ma fee with here. We new we platform event you. Just that. Wari dorovi eme or dorovi raven wari platform eme topic ni diri mu yoto wa like e dogun ayo utogu e that dogo toge oge mi mama gwoge gbe o we do a we no do o do gume gwa be no ridi mie o do we maybe won evorion we why ati do control be ni aya go we gwa oni okpa e o emi ni kian take yi kian ka na we men ni ma ya itasin yeke ho la me e o e ya la ma deserire ne arrivo iri ya e mi ave mi wa me a gele stopi we yi kian yi ga fiugbe o rovie enini sopon pano wano la platform me wa re o ya me ru camera vene alternative ban ye o maner you dey sopon pano veni you dey ri nye ho ela azagba me do rovie gbe me rovie bibie me veni mana mota yo to na do ya we na do ya rovie ma e ba ni e yiri ya ko l'arrive au bime so o mana sunu me ibe anything
Okay.
so don't now we conclude the very now okay
Nizeke gwa area na. Ivye do wa ya fefe wa listing. Wa bege we nu wa ke insult a boy na. A boy na ma change. Ivye do wa listing nu wa ke insult e o ma fi weri e. But today even enter a platform now, me believe o may take bona for a very long time. For a very long time, believe o may take bona. So now wa bege do ya gwa now. He's ready to go back to his former program. So if you do one year go allow what don't let why? What don't let why? Because there are some people on any day.
Do baba, if you do it on Gwali Brocus, la wo. Wesi.
My brother, Egwe, go on for ne, come, Egwe, sorry. Don't, tell me not.
Okay, where's Baba? So if you do, it may be wire because there are some people on any day very a thickness here or different the thickness wa. Men no you know it time and way where wamana do disturbing ye promoter ba because every boy nanu egbe wa video o se na atawe anini ogati America wo gati ya money ni gian ya lo for very important thing.
Brother Prince, la eme wedia ke we no ma.
Mama ni se je matana wa agwa mama. Ye miamia.
Okay.
So anini una no anini the great terrorist, the great criminal in Benin. When they buy America say they for not buy. Say it was the carry can't give her. It go be they go use her where because he was a good driver. And another thing where Anini sabi do. So at this boy be what did this boy mad? Now boy where you feel repair tradition. But now due to some kind things come make an the verse. So as far as he still did this platform telling the whole world way, I believe before you come out here, or they apologize to what? Or they apologize to what?
Don't preach for them, brother la mudane we ni miata because we
Ye boy mudane ye boy
la we kanima we ma je ri to te ba do aro wi ma e do language ni ma wa we ni e ma je adie ba o je do tie body je boy beba so ti o we topic o re ba ko ma me o ma me go wa adie ba do tie body o go ye do wi wa no ka so aro
only different ave man we presenter mama ave man we presenter with TikTok most of them ni mwebo gbe bi yan watching when so may they still use brain e boy ya we ni ya when it no be juju want they do everything e da we o go back
e mata wa no ya le do ati e po ave presenter
emi ma fi weri e
o be ya ga ya tu ku ba ko
Tom Priest, my brother Tom Priest, Brocus, Iye boy, my sister Wayafe Wawese. When Maya Taisi we Brocus, yon wano gwana kakabo. Meve Scott, kekive Mama Blue, Maya Gbare platform moge for Maya Egbima. When we umana ona gu egwa udolemeta webu understand me now e Brocus yoviere
Oh, meme. Am I a fan of a good guancing, by run of a noveme or meme? Oh, mama, you understand? Memo bomem ni me attire me what is that? Am I a fair? No, we give you a picture. Ya we profile. Ya te bonema. Wa the picture ni a profile. Wa me ran up you wa the picture wa yo. Walao. Email ma do imi. On no guy presenter no any presenter no give me picture ni ye profile work la mo umera mo picture ayo.
Okay.
Because I said why man no rusu is the why man no rusu no yes na ye nyohia
Baba,
Idene bros mutia epa wait.
We have to win now, bros. Don't say good when we have to win.
Listen, let me tell you, everybody may family not carry. Everybody may ra. You cannot be using everybody's father picture to be doing saga. Let's be sincere. You cannot be using it. Damn you. Yeah, boy, money platform where the doctor wanna tell me a tradition keke emo giame. Money do come the doctor na wo yo giame. My main problem with Oba, he time anywhere. I risk come a problem with Ebaba. You understand? There are some things we need to be very intelligent. E do moins e matter no mai we no ya generate e do moins ya o do kenu o we work rate from generation to generation. La why ga mo piche baba why ga mo a profile is the taboo. To be frankly speaking, is a taboo. Me man want do very o one me na want do very piche e baba be ipaleri man kwa e mana me piche ni ofo. Do you understand? We should stop this thing. Only me wa oni tayo.
Okay, we see. Oh yeah, take talk your photo. Talk your baba.
Na photo. Na take photo, Baba. Don't please don't move. Talk there. Wow. Man, I bring out some little points. The Brocus, team and I go to a Brocus. Wow. And you made him number. I na met man in Brocus no way. You understand? Brocus your mama in and your buy a bedroom. Nye maveyinya no ewe. You understand? Nani yama omagba. You understand? Any me email a Brocus we was talk not continue. You understand? Ruda I mean I want to not your bonny Brocus. A Brocus you are way no wrong, you know. Again, no banu go we ala den yet in at your bonny Brocus. Omaro no joja ni Brocus go banu. Ona mo banu bi na e mo ki face. Ni ana rovie ogwa no ho a. Ogani e ya rovie Brocus. E la so ana yin na mege. Ni e ka do ateni. Like dona na e do atage a ri amwe. Bi igbigo je e profile na ya e don prisila we me ana tanana. Ya rovie we igbigo e profile. Udo mwe pichik bigo na udo ya ati ebo ne ti ebo me no gba ni hini enwa river ni that doesn't make sense. Go after the people that come for you.
Bros, may I ask you a question? Anna will not continue even with us when Anna at least amen and from tomorrow banner so we are going to see maybe judo is a plus to us, bros.
Baba, for the past 7 months now, I broke us the one time. He cut my line. Oh my! Okay, block up my line. The guare no came where boy no get a ball. So, and I'm doing and I'm my dad.
No, my brother, my
Don't Prince la imeniata doja pitan where I'm your one in danger. I have me enemy danger. Anu pa ka mi wa zere gbiyan na ko aga ina wa mi egbe na zeje bi me emi la go da wo But after so years, on our mom, you really tell me that time I'm very any. We understand. I will make me danger. Where no matter you do come na where time ni broko be ni meje be ni ya gwa sesi me man ye ti do ayin ni broko si na bi bege ke ya no do ayin ni ade.
We are trying to give him some wisdom. We are trying to give him some wisdom.
Maybe me wow carry you
ebo ya gwa na we fi were o mo no te ne gbe ne bo ya vele le o ki o kon man mi ame broko si ma be gbe no yin ame. So where emi no ka o za
ya o wa no kwa ya ya o wa no kwa o imi o wa we platform ya wa no kwa platform
mama o wa no kwa no bi ya imi ani wa we address we rime wa do mu me we rame ni do imi
Brocus mujane. My
brother Prince,
we don't they come up for track area.
No, we don't they come up for track.
No,
we don't come up for track. That we go down. I maybe want talk to, but you not allow me talk. Even ni me only me guacan.
Okay, wamudia. On not tina. On not tina. Or tien. Or woko ba. Or tina. Wamudia no guan. Or tien woko ba. Vera vije. Or tina. So ogwa wa gegwa la gwema ke do gwan list we bros gwan
we na do post ma go we na se fi e because na gwan ke na we na se fi e platform mo kifis we na ye ma ye we na yata kusend the artifact issue where all by artifact na because
la wa get one o ma no gwan na
no dey come for track
wa get o pa le na wa get gwan wa ma get gwan o ti o ko ba o gwan na o vera bi je o be play wa ge gwan ni mo egbe mo ri egbe ti e Rose la gwan my pick, maybe you're calling me back. Maybe you're calling me back.
You know what? That one they come off of track. No, we are we are your school. Me many
don't ti temi okpa.
So if not tetaba, mama, imo princess we kai mu greba we gba. Mama la
ti gwan kan mi no tetaba.
Me we not tetaba.
No concern go we na. Thank you.
Not tetaba. Me I explain my way. Ni tetaba. Owo we na. Owo we na. Or we're not the by monkey face. A monkey face with platform or get when it's ana. When meta.
It dame away.
Oh, now we are more bugbear. What big monkey face. So a matter no.
He recorded the live stream of women. Do I TTA no more audio do home. Not do with it, not do you know ya can't damn done egui. Immediately Tamasin record ya. Any platform in live and him ikabo we recording. Again, ya roge professor he do record there or reform. So wagia dame egbe wala wagia dame egbe.
Work belgi duni
wagia dame egbe ni an dati dame egbe ni na ta popa
wa menita
ogo wie na la we no man mute na we go agbe sese ye no matter
wo sunu wo wie na wo ge no ya we moki
da owe mababe moki face na rovie Oba we na we platform monkey face. Account no otien amoba ni yaji neno go oba ne monkey face ni yaji ba we no ya account ni nyodokun not do repeat you ni home no because he recorded the live screen. Ni me na play so that ni he de moto ge onye. No be si ke gwa e o to ge yo mo.
Bro, me o
Me
no
ma
gwa.
ho, me mai ho. We no dey.
Asa wo gwa ne ba. Me yen mi tama we.
Call na gwa na anybody workata si we me so mu akpe dojo ya gwa hia we no ya kantini ade. E ma ya no ga platform ni screen record de ya. Keke bi nene mi ya ni taba ore record. We no ya kanto ge no ya di ne no go hia ba. Ni ye ya jo go hia ba no ya adie ma no do gwa. Ni mabo ene mi na sa igbonu ni play the record. E me ni taba no ta e record ni we na speak e mi no sunu ba. Wa mweri.
Let it talk. So now I wanna also na mabe ve go gun ya man ya ni that
I wo gun oba ma ke wa do ari go gun oba wa ti the boy e mu bari
the man no give us the platform also na beg if e go gun ya papa so we gun people are
emi ni ki ata na hin won kata ban we a dissenting no sunu be platform we ban wo we na o sunu bo professor Idu in amu mefu aba in amu mefu abi platform Idu ni akaban e yare record because screen record there me mua o mu yo to no ga ta na mu picture bayi ba keke bogo baseki nene amoba otin na no tu we na imami ni ya wo bogo kun ba because kun ba ya tie mo ki face yi ni ye na arye ba be no ya hemi no sunu ba o ya me gbe no ye ri akato ge no ya riba ya de because ya ni bun ogo kun ba ya na mu me without ya massive gbe o kin ya me peace now a topic in oni mu yo to opinion gi me ibe ye tabu we ni give my own personal view my own opinion gi me ni amakwe ni megun aba ike gun ke duo ke nene e maniga areba e niya ya bere the screen record iya talking ya i dam iya or say Tony be ya na so agbe sesese yo iya iwe ya na fi mefo so iyo no mani no kolu we ban no sike egbo bani no dey ni madosa yegbonu lu da evidence ro no na ni mami na gbon be yin mi dege me ni taba
bros, this as far away with that code with Benin people no way from now, you will deactivate from those area. It may only make one and we allow all the monkey face. Yeah, a monkey face. I'm a bog better do in the area palaces woman. I'm a bog be a monkey face. May it grant a interview. We may grant to interview now. Okay, I tell you, I'm here born whenever waba may grant to interview. O esama wena so ye me tie bonu we do as in edo me amwebogbu we edo amwebogbu we na amwebogbu monkey face me tie interview ko me interview we o ye ti me mwebogbu ge egbe me so now you are the person we edo me egweme ye ni we ye me tie bogbu we you are ogyoba so we still have right to correct you in any area the mabel so we are begging when you are not like platform in that scene, most 80% are trying to tell you where mulao. Even two when over reba, you over in wait and you beg even if I go where go on our way or mono you day okay. So if anybody don't fling out where don't trick it, don't fling guy on them to make sure where all those kind of things. Lao in Miami where my brother with care nakba we deactivate from a monkey face. A monkey face. Anybody not sick or he try to brainwash that person. A monkey face in a spirit of brainwashing. He try to brainwash you, manipulate you to make sure we do our work in you. Also, na make more man a bad manipulator. They are bad to you now.
Dans le hole. If you not concern a monkey face. E dora mwe bog be monkey face. E guana mwe bog be monkey face. Or mono bana we monkey face o ginye no. Ime problem. E gua kekebe mono ba or wo ginye monkey face hin. When kata sin. According to my own understanding as an adult, in what is right and wrong. Adult hin. Me or choose us even. A monkey face. E minimabe monkey face igba me. it has nothing to do with Edo or has nothing to do with Egwai. Meto bome or your we making a kene monkey face because a topic in a host, he only contribute to your yariba, dog game any arriba, gua game any arriba. Onaga ogin gua or ogin ba, that is not my business. Ogin me, my boy ogin egbe. You understand? If I only clear side or maybe ogin ba no or ogin gua no, ogin me monkey face is not my enemy. Ere mana. Emi buno uni support.
Because ogin we no Brocus, ogin we no. Omano ogin do ogin we no.
La wa force la ni finish menitana. Wa finish menitana. Wa finish menitana. Wa force man ogin me. Why for someone ogin me?
Mr. Dopris.
Can I finish my point? Can I finish my point? Yeah, to finish menitana.
But Dopris.
Oga, imagine force you when one do going
Mr. Dopris,
a platform in taking a platform Dopris, me finish
Brocus Mujane la.
So when you get up
Mr. Brocus,
let me finish what I was saying. Why intimidating me, man?
Nobody is intimidating you.
Yeah, that's what you guys are doing. You are trying to gaslight me.
Hey, listen.
Oh yeah, wait. Can I finish my point? I'm not going to. Can I finish my point? Thank you. Emoki face ogiame. Mabo ogi egbe. A platform me organizo. Obama gieme, Egwama gieme. It was my own voluntarily a yard platform oge. Imaru de doyeba or udoba yeba. Now, if you not concern anything. Emani la platform is my business. Emani buti mo gyan bane. Venia ti mo gyan ba. Iya emano choose o mano ogyan. I have every right to dictate and choose who is my enemy. So a point in here you only clear. And don't get way a maso way e ma do ayin yame. A topic in Oroto opinion me reduta not lead to all this conversation Oroto. And to be sincere with everybody here. Eminita yeta we. Irrespective of anyone understanding of views. Nala wo where the platform me umalake mi ni ukin agbera. Eyi motamu wa mi ni wa uwogu wa. Ya be kiogo mo malake ni me ukin agbera. Ade mi ni me uni erieba do azome popo do atiebo metiebo negbe ni kede tiebo ni rame. De o manu wewo eruwe mega iriat wa do aditeti me o idue. So oyo ya meta we mega stop mi ni mewu. Wana mie kwenegu wa stop emi nu wa because wa mana stop me e mani ni ume ya aso boy yan wo liyan ayeke la
because ovakata ma we eneso mu me dojo ya from mana biebe eneso na biebe akuobu
ya ihenya Ibe
okay,
no, I just want to. Okay, I agree to you, Baba. Yeah, I agree to you, Doctor. What was my brother? Yeah. You see, a man on one of the Brocus. Yeah, we just
now all of us we go love.
I bet your words, bro. Already idea ni wo ma tie bon we o on the bag e ke mo happy look bad e wa o kan lo ni wo bon e tabarian do change topic yan o bon ati o mi o ka lo one o sagi o ke ko sagi money be la o mi something the boys from big web but anytime the platform because he always claim is from Bose and they not care about do us that do nos that bound those kind of thing e me na because now or him no. But Mr. Dumfries, I know you very well. Maybe now I can't remember. I don't know. For me, I'm so disappointed. Bringing this guy, all you done to Wadua. For me, a guy, and I will not touch me, No, because everybody I will come with my.
Need the woman your sister.
The thing is that a man, or this is a fight. We must finish. I want nobody Brocus stop. Then me every day. You should continue because maybe how come then my way am angry. May God go for you. Who do beg your bar on you I'll be me like a biological father. Then my way God go the next thing you do. Who beg your bar way? You know what he's doing, bro. But Mr. Please, I will advise you. If I'm a Brocus, you don't call them for. I negotiate with him, Ariana. You don't negotiate
No,
with them.
A
I
terrorist
negotiate.
in Nigeria. A
You
terrorist. A
understand?
government will negotiate with him.
A terrorist
Terrorist.
in Nikin. But people like Brocus,
Mr. Moruyi, please, Mr.
Mama,
Moruyi.
please, at the end, stop it. Then you have to like me.
Your
Oh, yeah,
man.
So you don't negotiate. You don't.
Let
Let me just finish. So you don't negotiate with people like this. For me, I would be the last Edo person to negotiate with Brocus. You understand? Because I'm maybe he's almost 40 now. Maybe I'm above 40 now. And I will have my way. No, if one got good with the next year, well, who you then where I going because you live in abroad. For me, those people negotiating, we are not part of the Edo that will negotiate with Brocus. Banana party. Do anybody that want to negotiate with even know you from beginning when I complain for we don't even see that as anything anymore. Except a man so the year bro I don't know. But okay. I you know bodon wa. That is all that's all I have to say, Mr.
Let's see my brother. Mama P, talk to us.
Okay. My okay, while I just now.
Yeah, God
Okay.
bless you.
Yeah, while you're booking. Brocus, because of a platform we man here now host again, my mic your man through you. Now most of us understand. So lady Maya lady Maya do a normal make have a don't have a don't know where we have a time where my with your money they don't buy my man. So we're so happy to be with you understand. But anyway, do I your kiki ya una me man no push you because I can't easily say this one that one you understand. But Emma time when I got time my brother understand. Nya we o mahia o mokoko baga tanya ekenoje ndo selo ba na gba ogegbe ono se na enu na mi ege ya ga tan ahia me owo amokoko understand. So my brother la enu jeni kerebo Emma emi no see any brother because he am bring me brother na don prince where yon mu ehojokun emi no see brother na we ni egu egwan na gbon ya egu egwan be say because a man ebu ma understand dia wa mo ayo ya do na jena akwo mo na kpa akwe no kpa kwa de na ha ya hie do.
God bless you, madam. So that now make a boy now go begging a Brocus. This boy get talent too. Is it when you describe it? He's a talented boy, but we don't know what triggered him to start doing all these things. Now, I waited dog babu no eh. A boy now was a dofu. Una go eh. But we don't know. Am I not easy? So that is what I'm trying to let people know so that people can interview him. You know what? Some people, you know what? You can interview him. All the time, he has been responding to you guys since. He has been responding.
Okay, brother, please, if you know this, you need to take it because even so we do our damn again. If you know this, you why Brocus
say stop to the pet and white. Okay, you believe say it to say I call the insulter since the insulter. Will fit read this stage of this so?
No, I think to na yena.
No, this is I call the insulter now. Nothing. You are still here now because why? You see that we are still investigating him.
Oh God, don't you know a question about me that nowhere.
Hello? Me person talk now. Now you dey talk. Now let allow person talk. Why give am one?
Wait.
Why give am one? Why not Otanu? Question wo na dey suppose ask.
You are just coming.
Let me talk. Ekezi na sitaleme na yada. What have you contributed?
What am I? Do you even
listen? Na gugwa. There is something Nuwamiena, okay, maybe where a Brocus, this one. Before Brocus come and they do all these things. Wait till they cause now. Now don't ask what they cause now. Now don't ask.
May you talk.
Some people go.
We don't ask now.
Some go say. Oba na everybody. Let me talk. They'll say Oba na everybody, Papa. Fine. Oba na everybody, Papa. But see what himself in the palace did to Akpata APC.
Is that like you agree? He saw that the person that is creating this platform, he has a wisdom. An operating platform, he have a wisdom. Also, now you never see. I have wisdom. Because I know what I'm doing. So we all here. I think it's only we can only use our mouth to repair the things. No, it's no. So he can even apologize here. A blogger from there. Where beg anybody at all it bonnet do, but that's one linear home. If you feel me weary.
Very nice bro.
Emi of you weary. Very nice.
Oh, said Doctor,
Iyore today. Iyore if you no get one.
Stop in.
Iyore if you no get one wa gatemata. Oye try ya. Stop in it. So a man now where here ya bitawa e Brocus gido one so agwa don ogwa wona.
Ma te gwa pa wala wa agui wakada kada. I did not say na la do Murude Brocus no because now 2 years ago na Brocus our Reti talk he was doing well as in na nice person to me get him. So about our panel area it always seen invitation then ila do agba be agisti and I like you maybe odwa do bully oku we get him until you can reach those stage na about your bonnet about fit get go ani my issue me but issue me where another day by no we the boy we at here nenemi not deported by Nigeria boy not deported by Nigeria and I dey boy ni do ati bonnet abi ku no rewebo I mean every man I go Brocus no ogi oba no we get him before but again na dey by a boy na no easy boy no tie bani ku no rewebo can come tie bani ku no oba can fit be oba when make do rewebo na ogi oba wa no we get him ba na easy boy ni ku no rewebo na or donate go ne no ya no what say Nigeria na but you say Nigeria and that's why I'm we but ku no rewebo na before Brocus do dey by do atie bo I Brocus but he was doing well before. We get him a nice guy. Why no? And I like you maybe who I don't have bully who a Brocus if he did comment section, he go most surely he saw that perform they go in block don't know clear a platform or also ya tie bonnet e kenya ya be issue ni.
Hello sister what say and where what I know now where ube no na few on no na do ade bavian ni mama where ya where ogun oba no no ya de ban ga gun ogun oba because oba my mu aburu oba amu aburu no my manere mama be eti de
ya go my mu aburu because he can type but my mu aburu you know say me na tell ni all the basic boy do amu but do ati ba iko no rewe no ti bo na ifo no rewe bo kede no nipa me kan muye ogion ba because I wanna ogba no run do ati we na so to talk na so Europe to talk na so Europe to do this one da all the ba issue ni we got him, Brocus, there, just like Benny Carter, about 2 years ago. He was very nice, a very nice bros. And they like to come in platform. He do attend me, and everybody was see the joke there, but or is second, or you do attend, or do I think where go then? I love you there by a boy, but here, but now you can but make him Ogioba. Matter where maybe about where okay, where Ogioba, no.
Sister Mujane, Chief Ododo, then Maria no, Tavedero, we platform a brother, I me a brother name, but that is the first day I entered there. I followed the.
Yeah, boy, not here.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy, told
Ilele do talk show na hin.
Okay, yeah, boy, no.
Okay,
hello.
Yeah, boy, not here.
No.
Don, il m'a dit à play a video que ya Easy Boy ni aya moment
Okay, we la video. We mo video na be we.
Ideni mo ye video no dege.
Play. No, you be second account.
We video ni abe we.
Ni ya Easy Boy ni aya rovie me va. Ideni ni play no dege. Ati na geni fin corner.
Because maybe I like we video.
What dans mes records now. Easy Boy ni notamment et plateforme orena hin, vie plateforme orena. Ni aga rovi kuina nyodu ho va wa dans me ho.
That bro so be the talk yours now, you know remove am.
You got talk with me one talking.
I don't know whether you still remove me now because that guy won't talk your opinion and I don't throw away him. So not be say I'll start my own now and I'll still throw away me. Now make me the ass.
They're not the two way you
everybody has your opinion now. Like me now, I talk my own opinion. Okay, may I talk my own because I did hear say there will be Nako man, you know they quit the release. Like we now we they make the release because many men they not get strength. I met in a Yahoo, I say Yahoo for Yakbo don Yahoo any Macbe 3 hours 4 hours. Yeah, when you know Yazanvi Kuni. All those women now mana is central men on ya. So Irano Yakbitan we not go out do no ma go out for this abroad where this so. If no yami idea we bo ire do real I can't give time and I can't give my time to satisfy women. Now the reason why I can't this life, I not get all that thing where I can't do for this life. To satisfy women and wait, I not be your brother, I not be your brother, bros, I not be your brother. If you see your brother, you suppose know. Me and you not be.
My guy, you not try.
Wait, may I finish? I not be your guy. I will want to na Yahoo in a mabu marry look me where me and you not be one. Wait, may I finish? Wait, may I finish? Now my own I dey talk now. I dey talk my own. You know, now me say me you not get strength. Help me when you call you with my brother. Tigwe wo babare. Go finish every time. Make I finish now. Make I finish. We are okay. We are so ina. We are so ina. Go me I talk now. We ne regbo. Egbo ne nu vunje wa so yo. Go me. Ah, we are where you kiagwo. We are where you kiagwo. But you there many days. Wait here the make a talk. Abu banana ufun you we now. What do I making noise? Go me go. All those women, that's why they pursue and come out for a second. Make a talk. Make a talk. I don't know where you talk. May I talk my opinion now? Now my opinion I talk now. If you reach there, my brother, go do your own. Now my way they do. You know if he dictate what I want to do for my life. If you check this guy now, I never been understand. So make a talk. If na has be a problem where you turn ubowa. The problem when he go make no move me adia gona. Make I talk my own, bros. Make I talk my own. May I talk my own. Not be me frustrate you. I'm frustrate you. Go me go. Ire dori you go for niku. Go me talk go me. Or se toni what go. Abi ku na nu wa na wa go akana or ni me go akana. They are so lovely. If you see their nyash, eriye nwenya ya soft. Aku eva ku be wa agba kan you Why you two pick is all the 2 year conry. They go feel and say na man I come there. Why you boy ali ke gbe yi me abo. O yik me abo go vonis and why you boy you vonis and your pe o kwa. O e go man na see la. Yeah, man o see ba. Ya po dongon yo ado afilas kon gbe man na wa we gbe ye mu yi. Me na be single mother jina na be ni wa fi on man hen original ma wa see ba. O bubu confirm you know I worry that any before
Yeah, mo me fwa ban.
aka wa yitiri awasi pokmani u ya me la lo ari gbe ya fefefe o yi bi na po yi mi di yaka.
My brother,
We are doing it now. Brother, not be your brother. Make I finish now. Which one be your brother? Who be your brother?
my brother,
If be your brother. Make I finish with you at the top. May I finish with you at the top? Now your toto. We are so you one now your toto. Make I talk. Fool kill you there. I fool you. Not be myself. I did fool. Me I fool myself now. Now do you turn that go fire? I not fool you. Now myself I did fool. Allow me fool myself. Allow me fool myself.
You are very foolish man. Don't talk again.
Shut up your mouth. Make I finish with you.
Even though you make the video now, because even last or here for sure, na do film for abo. O understand? Not na we are dey by Z-boy. Any platform is Z-boy na here. O ya me China. Because in yaga, imi buni yaga talo concerning who imari sa dia. Or even no see as man here na leta film. Yeah. So Rudem ne lady ni taban we na ya dey by Z-boy. O ya me play video na. What is it?
Brocus, if a voice note, na or show what Margaret by Z-boy. Sorry for the accused. Forget him, man. So sorry. That good.
Wabege, o se anata we wa agba okoto we ni. Ebo e na bege mi ya no wo me point. O se na de we enwa ya follow ebo e na up. Wabege we e ma so no gwaba iye evidence rokpa. Fin, I go ga tie bo no gwa no ho a. But if no say no na we all do atalo manasi. So I know better way you stop. You give away. What we now we do? What we now we do? Oh man, what we never we stop. Eh, na go you not stop in wa. Ya Mario mi fien o. Me I buari ke no je be ya fien o too much to stop her. I cannot take logs to my hands. All what we have to tell him is to stop all these things if he is doing it. So wa bege na we equal o ma re ma ba do ta we eri o te bon equal iye gbina ni ko yo baba. So na just area no na te bon e bigger sa na change so that a men na make no make na dey useful to the society. E ma ni bu like so a man no deactivate to all those area no na do awuna. That is the area the magbina ina. So man no gwan la ye boy river. Yenu kokomo whatever.
Ite with a question baban.
Okay.
Imagine not buying women.
But we control platform la ya 5 minutes. Bro so ya go.
Yeah, otak ba here ti rules again wa guyo. Otani na ga ihe we even mewu imi so ni o magba. Abe mani do awe no magba ni the platform me. Na lao diana arima. Mebe oni ya diodu hun ni mebe he de mi ni ya do we platform me de mi no gba no e mi no gba because imege we ana me we awe ni me stop and the man on the platform me ma stop so tai as very yani bo kian ga
hello la egui baba la egui we no taje ban ina the platform me we o ma like we ni ya go fi me fo no need to ya tie for no man. So when you re manania imeto ku gbe yan na we la wo edit e bono wa no kwa e wona me na ire we mi we ure u kama we go ke mute nu we kwa me ma gi we kwa umu me fwa u de call me so me ma you understand me now umu me fwa cause e mo nya platform when itana la wo we pa da me on la wa gwan bokian. So I want know my brother. Cause he and we want me na so won dan ya over ka maybe every net ya. He afia kan ya de wo agbon. Cause me na ma wa ya o. So anybody no let platform me well. ou bon where fou avec no ga on ma gwa gwanse la e tie bon e ogba no kwa won ko ko si un diary
Waya bela wo.
Gwanse
Wa bela wo. Wala wa wete ni atana. Wa bela wo. Me mudiane Brocus. Where the main reason where some of the things in here or because man do agu yen go anyhow a picture, a profile. Wa no kwa ye na ya. Where no the other or a week now they even yasu kina day. My other platform nana my other a TikTok here. Uno ma make picture a profile here. Na me up to na be na kwana. I can remember ya picture ni again ni e we ya me over 6 months 5 months ago. E ma ya mu we picture re owo wa no kwa ni again ni. So again ni tani way because yan we picture e wa pa yiro no we picture ni again now go through profile re we ya all of okay mi maybe sometimes na any etana na all the platform re maybe owi un dan pa na ire da ya mo picture ni a platform a picture re ogba owi e hon no although ya gwa anyhow you to feedback you no kwa
no gba ipada mi ogo pa no wa gbon me ma bo to to mo na ni do yen mu jo ma na emi no egbon si wa mo yori omo ele emi no ma o gbon ye ma na si bete ni do yen gbon ye ma na wa na stand me na
we ti yan do we do no
o we do e meta na o we do iyan ti wa mo fe so ma yen ya we anything stupid
we dey gbon ni ye ni yen le Brocus yen omo yen keke ni yan enwa o ba na iwe gbe
yes
where the rudo nu afugbe gi e ke ma ke nu fugbe yi odo ma be obi e kon ri we gbe ni to provoke you so why we do ya ro ye o wa no kwa
oni ye gita na wi ye ken se ti we now ya be alu enwa
hello brother sanu no e na iwa like we ma so ro hu abu ndo mi gba be my then na wa ya gwa ma na e bia we se ma say brother fini akwa o wa se ma wa to bi o takre he we fi nu gyo wa no kwa he o gyo ba ku yo a o be ni he ya ata set you know we even know the time when you take talk rough it's all get my way there are
Damio mama enye we otima na ge Brocus otima eno mami oba na tana oba moriri ugboriri no o ma be keke ni mani viedo because o ma once bastard somebody read to agu egwan u we be to deba un dan ni be agu edogun ado kagbon ya kugbe be ni meje na wana aru dime ona do agu e wa ba gun imeje ku lawa so
mama
okay
like a Brocus na me ye platform where the many times if any he is really he yaro we wa no kwa o wa ma provoke oni ona we na bata or if you hear son ya bi san no down bi san so no
okay siru we ga ready platform where you got we ma ka me no we
mu dane o ga ya ta ya try to correct them even here we are insulting me here fi be fo a ya ni here yo pa o here kaje bi Yoruba kaje bi Igbo okun yan ye ba
but ege na o ege ne ya na anyo
in question ya no
last week no gbera na owo e have coming soon have Davidson have iyan ye sani mudane wa se ni adafo na the last one oguye na oge monkey face he got a comment section the monkey face na he got Obaseki the Obaseki betray the one na to identify the Obaseki digo e Brocus ki save ona try no change a topic a monkey face here where Obaseki a problem where over no kwa or a problem over no kwa ona try feel back over no kwa oguye na o e na Obaseki monkey face na where monkey face na where on a topic or your Obaseki on no betray or is that another monkey face na fear for the platform na dey we no oguye na
A picture bag aroa otani no
a picture bad about Obaseki.
Et then it continue. Ne continue venita. Even no see na like inia gwima mwane gbe because on your see me record the last screen me yani lele kia. First have you son we ga gugu aba mama se san. Gumen finish na gumen finish. Ave man gumen finish menita gumen finish. Et platform is no we deba wa vie il vient de rovier il lo giorisan. Gumen finish menita. Gumen finish menita. Gumen finish menita. Gumen finish menuta. So women rat in waya dictate ni il vient son of a few pegie oba be ni aya fi pege oba benu we mo daka. Gumen finish menita nia. Il again we banya gwan me like rubbish na venu we me manolelewe eri me manolele ou me fancy me fans ou get the point ni ou marke bani yoto venu we malaki me sauver sans eri me malaki me sauver do you cannot change that fact now il vient sur la plateforme ima et plateforme ime et yama il vient donner boni la plateforme ime obini et yama vene ime ali no we na me no gioge sans ye plateforme ime inabiawe dissenting no we would ba inabiawe die we megi nona ono diogi san me ye platform me answer otani no any Randolph me mege na atalogbe
answer we na ukawe wene
okay gume conclude menita gume conclude ikata ban venu we malaki meri me malaki we make boundary ni yoto I'm your enemy you are my enemy attack me iriaga attack you that's how it works now dame ho ni awumala kime but ufo go me keke wati no se fu apine dame ho emeni tra ni tama wo iwe irrespective of anything no isunu ero vira me iro vio manuti era onyo the final thing onyo me opa ni me dege ma okay ni mo dia no gwa igwan na igwan si se arun opo pa ti gwan na won ni mute na
brother ugegwa ya we ni ma no nya mere bana dia yo papa e kwata why because even the brother na do tabani abe tag gbera ni si even na gitana we no lao
mama lao wa la to se tu wa no ba ye wa ye to wa ni ene tangbe wa ni ene tangbo do sim no ma gbe no si if you not soon is that a Brocus ona fit go wa no kwa pazo boy oba table nika ogwima una wa si ani nika ni agbina ni gbe en wa haya ri platform re mon wa ya jiba ni ya tawe wo we si ni no ku owo na robiera una ya tamera ge ga no robiera what your bonira Imagine not saying we 90 stay away from one. Ignorant. Baba Guila, we are Turina. No, ignorant. I want to bonnet era where I tamera matobono, what your bonera video. Me no understand you. Now you do working. You don't leave them do it, team do your things. But when the time when the repercussion will take come, it go face the cross by itself. Monkey face today. Not many people tell monkey face see. I say maybe not say monkey face don't they change now. But now they cause the problem. Was here when you boy. Hey Robia, who tell enemy who see when I mean let the way over table any car gwima we are wo mass no binano bar over where we say we say Baba Brocus itwowe na do we do we sound be no ya one or declare we san or him be ya tama my brother we no giya ga say do it no we do not your body lika no gbe no sin e nikiri bi do pe una gbo to no dio nikiri abi wa keep it on your mind. Ime not a bone or the money him with picture by your platform, ye page me in at a bone, tear bone me will it be. We not a bone at a bone ramen will it be. And we are begge, utedo, la woven a nick in manic every time I was even where we wife beg your back, what gas you. But to man have yet in men, I don't go at the time, make me wash you. Irevani, Umana dame, whoever you as if you don't know how to tell me. Umana dambe mi no reba ni, unwe mi no reba ni. If you hear no hear, I know if you forget that. If you do it, let them do it. Get where me know. Wasi I know when you allow. Where you one no show no ya ta we stop. Wasi ene. What none of the cause the problem. Mona you live and me they do thing. If you don't tire, like if they do for view. If they do for view, go see view. If they do for awareness, make people know. You go see what they find. Mona live and I beg. What the total like God bless you. I go to the
It didn't respond because it tell you again a panoti agbe sese ye me niga ata mai gwanfo pano gwan keke ban omunu no gwan keke ban iyo vie san no la wo iyo vie san ma ke sanre and iyo vie san o vie do san do yan rin onu vie do so na ho san do but san do yan historically even you ni la le fenata o iwe ayete natana brokosi hewe eriwe eminu ima mama lake odi ma begbe wa maeta memewu ni menu wado anyi ire ema o oni menu wado anyi dame yawe no ni obokpada no nikmi abokpada wai no ke do mano do de kenori egbe obukian now eminu wawu wa malaki ni mewu me miekwe yo me anya stop ni me malaki wa mwegbe ne wa ya stop because wa mana stop ni me malaki ni wa do awi me
okay
iwe
okay
amana stop ni me malaki
wetame wo we malaki so that man they malaki
ya be ye repeat ina we ni me malaki ni amana stop ina we azin mi abo yin awo le yan yeke ladian erita iyo ma no le egun o idwa be meta si agbada bunugun emini malike o ewe o manala emani bunro iya wano ti o ma huyoba iya mi owe without o ma no huyoba ni manaki platform iya mi ogogo o huyoba keki ivon manegwa oba mu e huyoba o keki iya no wiya hen lele iya ti no se bane because iya ma no gwe o huyoba mobo iya emi ni ya mi ebuwe ruda iya gbina ne the tradition ve culture of Edo because nya lele se emi ni oni la le fenata iwe umala kemi ni u elele me I follow we mo choose man follow then we choose man follow umala ke topic me kin agbera ere do give opinion imam la ko we kin agbera e platform ya mela and where be ala platform me be no manala kemi ni u and do avere u togwe wa togwe opinion we no you are entitled to read me atogo me edo awu a tin change be ni ya think here for ime ige even na me wetu onu konka me wa slave me I'm allergic to that now every azagba me wa expect your time wa me shoe with me rovie me direct I rovie we direct but iga mark you anywhere uwo ba irano and very platform me claim me we irano udorovie erime omanu we acknowledge ni wo iruwe ni menu wo ira ikin abi arovie oya meta we akonva me gui okpa yeje mo be mo gbina we gbokpa mo be mo ni rapa bi yan ifa gbina yan ifa rovie rian so we awera me igeruwe no wa rovie rame imena be rovie rame ni ege da we gbe so therefore wagagiro emini me malaki ni wa ba me bangu me wa mana bangu wa me bangu me okay ni mute
wa damo mutia brother mutia mi go brother mutia
my sister mute yourself everybody mute yourself please.
Mama emini me oni meta be na e Brocus ma ye ready neno ya go na me no ladamu ni o ma e mo gbe no ya egwere ogwa no kwa na finugi or mother them would be at all. So it don't please wa wono na kwa kekan because they told me we when e ma ye and answer sigo because when the meje na ka go ba ira me no wo egbe e o bagele wa bi me we ki awge me hin wo ma no be ri mo tie ne ra me no we tie die ti me ka we o when me je ben o ma ka be no ba me no je ba no we Vene doji, veni ma ya nware wedo, eruwe, erimeno, erona no, deoi, mere ami wa no semi we ka baba lavieze. Igbunu je ni e we ka Joseph lavieze. Ede ya kokima, ma ewe eruwe, erimeno, erona no se ne dona ya pita we, anu opa biomo, ta koko biomo. You understand? Okay, apart from that now, when you get up banana, all they be more selty dan where. Come on on the platform here, since we can where then the Majania, or we are buying me, you are buying rameno. So basically, on the platform here because why? A boy at a no market or Rafi, no one can no market, no one was saying me. All that time on the tea, Rami, where, maybe where, piano get it be me. One look on me. So there is nothing you people can do about it. You on your platform here.
So in your parliament, that wale ijo, metana. Why because many years when I uwe ya kula be eken. So I know when me Obama dinye begbe, or you when imagine not dinye begbe me o na tie pone. So why what that we begbe ejeva o. Cause wajeva what is sort in gear for me o.
Yes.
Ona awe mi
So
wa pototo una pototo ge uge mi no ugu like oge na na isotegbe babene wa gege na na isotegbe no o we je platform e ogun ma ge gun ugbotayo unu why because I vasabian bugbe be wo na wa agun apani let me talk oh what nya platform no nya platform uge gun so ugbe gi yen ge be ri ono ugu la wa we dia o why because if you're oba gwa dia da du gaje
Mama Mudane, where I watched for some weeks ago or months ago, all of our came we had dog pataki, the platform at Brocus. They want to bring it by the year they but in no run, the man go time and I'm going to type banner. When I was looking at it talking now, who may want to say program. When they got type banner,
you know como la mi, tani wa pe o to ye,
okay, if you have been going ya ni ke gaga iya so afi pe jo wa no kwa ihe ga mu te no ma keke jo wa no kwa we e ho ma ja ho e te ba ni bunje ba ni ma no we mi ori ma do testify say it's more than 100 e wa no we ma o we wi yon ma ne ma that person need to check himself very well if I know area man say try to talk to this guy tell him that enu no ma gba no but you are standing on your ground where I got to rate your bond where I got one we won back how we ma. What understand it? You need to check yourself. Okay, so me I watch you or you were Ghana maybe talking about 1 year. What understand it? We bought on 1 year. Because when the VBA will make gaga be where you are about here most important you no go and
wa dami o e pa dami o re gbi o go ma pa ni no wi emu e piche baba o mu ye e platform re yen ti e bo ni me ma na ba ni awe ye nu kokomo shut up why because waga ti e bo no wa ne gbe sentence ni o ga ti nu wa waga so
where do we do
okay no wahala
so what do you conclude what we do no
ọmọ ogo pa ne padata yo mo fo bambana we man la platform me yan iviedo e ma de ni pe e ma be no waya identify iviedo e ma we no guana e ma be no ya identify iviedo e zero iviedo no we kin o te ye me do we na ye do gigbu we without to ma zero of yo ni me na do iviedo we to bu we kin ruda.
Brocus, may I tell you?
Don't Prince Gume respond to it because in home cannot belong to. Ni guana, irimu picha mo baladian, yamamu pichi meladian, yami isi so to rea. Don't mudia, woma henya. I know majority of many track ya. In almost 12 phones, almost 16 phones, il recorde ya. Et d'adore, il me fallait d'adore. Ogbeni oti kenya ati me kwenia, kesi meki. Ogbetikin, asyo kome, imu koni la diabouya azi. Yenon guana. Yeah, donc Prince Gome ka reply, ya answer question we la wo baba. Yenon guana. On heme no tasin oui vivie gwenri, vivie gwenri. Vivie gwen. O mana do chemistry ban wa go ma o ma ekpa yi Esan yenti evie gon abote doa. Esan yenti evie gon a. Esan or ye platform me yenti evie gon a. So a group ni belong to. Iyamwe PTG Meladian. Iyamwe Giswa. Imaso Ruda. Anybody who wa drag give a family me when no kagbe wa ya drag e. Eri ya drag wa iraso. It's as simple as that. Okay, we are do dictate revivie gwen platform e mani la platform one wa to ta mo dictate tamu wa manu wa avioria. Wa to bu wa aviogo wari. Ya aviogo meri. Bueno oviedo edo atamame o mani amu la platform e veni mude ume ratini. Or ni vivie gwen adi platform me eri we be gwen no to ma be
nobody is quarrel with you. Mujane, again one person with the conversation. Ile Ibinu. You have been insulting people here since. What is your problem, Ile Ibinu? Ile Ibinu, are we talking about Ile Ibinu here? We are talking about the pride of Benin. We are talking about the pride of Benin. If you know that you have a problem, you can go and settle your Ile Ibinu in any area you want to settle your Ile Ibinu. We are not Ile Ibinu here.
No, you don't understand. It was not insulting. He said, what about the Yoruba? Ile Ibinu, he said the name is Ile Ibinu Proud Daughter. Can you allow me to talk?
They say
can you allow me to talk? Listen, Augusta, I'm from a donut. You understand? I'm an extra person. Go to my profile. I respect the palace. I respect the Benin people a lot. You understand? Go and verify me. You, madam, that you are talking about, you know who they respect Oba reach me. You know who get Oba proud reach me. You dey hear me so? You know get a reach me. Not just to come here to be played or be just clear me.
Yeah, may you talk now. Talk to opinion. Okay. Let's see your opinion.
Let me just say about that Ile Ibinu of us. That Ile Ibinu is her name. He was talking about. She dey talk about what about the Yoruba where you dey carry go your platform. He was not referring to.
Wait, who they carry Yoruba go platform?
He said I was saying he said Brocus they carry Yoruba go platform. That was a comment. You understand? He was not saying that this thing. Us we have to get that one right first. You understand? Yeah. And number two, what I'm trying to say right now is that. The way that they beg us, so it good though, because I'm a person, me and I they go the platform before, you understand? So we are trying to say Edo is one before those kind of issue, you understand? Me myself, wetin make me vex, they jump beneath the saga the essence, is that because the essence people have told them before, stop bringing Yoruba to your platform to be insulting Benin. Benin and Esa are one. Stop bringing Yoruba to your platform. They will continue every day to be bringing Yoruba to that platform.
Double tap your screen, guys. Double tap.
They will continue bringing Yoruba to that platform to be insulting the Benin. Or which me as an Esa Koma, I don't like it. I not like am. It is the vex me. Your blood wan call divide our house. You understand? But the way una dey beg Brocus since, if he continue tomorrow to dey insult the palace, maybe I go join am o. Maybe I go join am.
Okay. Why you talk I get her to ask a question. Okay, wetin make you go join am?
Make I do wetin make me talk am. Una dey beg person no show una light. Una still continue, especially that year wey dey go.
You bros fair wait first. Wait, mujare mama mutia. Iye nu kokomo wait first. Iye nu kokomo zegbe.
Yeah, iye nu kokomo.
Bros, wait. Do you know that this guy Brocus, one of the CES since? Do you know how many things he don't talk since? He has been here for more than 3 to 4 hours here. Do you know how many things he don't talk here since?
Me, I don't beg for a long time. If he continue, because of people wey dey the beggar, so me I will join am. I hear tell na my own mind, because I know that. Go on my profile, you understand wetin I dey talk. So una dey beg am since you no wan understand. You still dey talk say person insult am or insult him mama, him go insult the palace. Who insult you? Why can't you insult the person mama or insult the person papa also? Must you insult palace? If he continue tomorrow, I swear to God, if Brocus open platform today, he go continue again tomorrow. Me go join am. They do the same thing. I'm just tell you the truth because I don't see the.
To show now say you join people wey be say
If your man
Oh no,
you dey
Don't praise. Woman understand them in no time. Wait, Brocus said you Brocus. One mujane wa bio. Don't please. Emnika betabi aye veta. Damio. Ani aye be mudia your assistant on it. Wala wo ibi to ya fe no re social media. Emi alema emia. Omo ni ya ma mu aburu wa yi ti ogun oba. To be frankly speaking, omo ne bo ma mu aburu. Negwa mamu aburu wa yiti ogyoba ema negwa mu aburu wa be yani wa gate ni ogyoba is no problem ide boy mutiana iye boy la iye boy
we iye boy brother nu mutia gwe mutia
iye boy wait Damio why you listen you listen why get you like it's not good omana egwama mu aburu no need na ya to ona we no market Damio my brother omana we no market emi need the that of ebubion wa we no bo wa ni utie my brother he beg a video nu they know there he beg video nu baba na la my brother now he just shallow boy yera no be my way ya emi we la try no change the topic ni the way we are ya go mani gwan money no matter when emire say if we take it who surprise all to change the topic ni then after that topic oga hand the topic ni we will gbet here wa vo igwan if we not tell you emi no die we no sunu we ma ya gba yodu with Peter yodu kun ogyoba John yodu kun ogyoba with this person have never been labeled ogyoba Emani alebe ogun ba me ma be maro pa social media no la do tie ni ogun ba me ma be ma ya je nani via doni buje popole le ni we have to do things accordingly as a mature person ije wa era mahin you understand we should respect ourselves respect our father at home
brother priest that we get to be make me na we me wade ba de selevo e do no ba jeni oba e no go pa no da la dia ka we akin ogun oba kin unless una gare a gathering ni o kan na point we go wana bebe ne na re gathering ni then if we me wade ge so me ni so ni yawo awi ijera me gbo una wa ni we na go kin oba yes uga we mi no ko kin oba mani your banner can come and go oba working get nive na go oba abeja si won ogba mi oba kweta wa wai ogba nu get nive na go oba uga nive na go oba agiti wo oba
akabo
oba me go pa no ya ladian we be no kije na ni ije boy oba na agwa wai mani oba ogbin na no ba mani oba ogi mani ye o le ru ni mo ya si ma ya fefefe oba me go pano ya laja do appoint o ma we about less to gare gathering ni ona fia o we owe ona lare ahu ni be nyana gwa be wa pe ma wa kwefo abebo e dia ya we so oge ati o ma gi oba ni oni ke mani bi edo adegun na ni be na go parusu ogi oba ni ana ti le be wo ogi oba so ko na ni be na ogi oba o ma ro pa de no do ti wo ogi oba wa ya we se gwa bi dan ni
wa we se mama
amen na question ni boy
ile ibinu na wa ge kwa wa
boy
bros
question ti ni boy okay
wa na ye boy otayire wa ile ibinu omagwa bege ya
ile ibinu
prisi itu wa ya wa domo e pardon pris mebu ma me la gogo Brocus wa dame my comments wa me ni tabe comment mebu ma ti ona we ga tebo ni gegbe me o ye do pataki we ne do ba ala biege me you know na you no know me na I know you now which one be ile here
no let me now make people know you now open your camera me see you
ide o sa lo boa ide
one know whether a fake account or an original person did it.
They know a fake account. We are a fake account, yaw. Men are here.
Egbe wa wo me ije boy agboya me abugwe me ni eko atalo. Ubege vene a ge ire wina. Ubege vene a.
Ama bege we isho na si an.
Iwa mabege me okay. Finu after ya
Una si an.
Una don't see me.
Wa bege a.
Wa mabege me a.
Wa message wa una si an.
Do refer to Scotch.
Maybe na her network.
Ona lady na no respect.
Ire Spain no wala.
Ma bege face we.
Wa mabege me.
Ma bege we na.
Wa bege me a.
Okay.
Ge no wa ya toge no wa do toge bege inwe na je.
Okay.
See me. Then ni off camera me. Rugged Ashawo, God bless you my brother. God bless you. Igbenanu do falobwa ya venikau. Ohianfu we my brother Rugged Ashawo. I cite you my brother. Rugged Ashawo na wala wo ware rovio because
my sister say Rugged Ashawo enu gwed vi edo gwan.
Gume na duma on go have my platform. I can go down don't please Francis Weje. I will give you na me ma we.
Rugged Ashawo enu gwan.
He was there defending me. The way I tell me bank defending me ban. A boy ni why we go because a boy ni o wa gbe na nedo. E Brocus wala wo waregi mi ame me no ni Brocus iba. How can a Brocus itawe o ma ti e boni yen una me piche baba or una e ro mani ge or isunya no ri ne baba u ya robi baba. Does that even make any sense? And you said you are a learned man. Etidorobia when my brother, he can't allow platform where he beg me no na ko gbagbe. So wala wo emi no ma woro he already conclude say see wetin he want do. I don't know the reason why you people are not begging this man. I can't get it. I no fit understand them. Okay, made the picture about the yard of a Brocus is see me or ya does that even make any sense to anybody? Then why me why Roy? I don't get it. Why get away me no wrong?
Mama, okay,
Mama, Gumera dopin ni make na come down because I dey work. Wala wo why for say wasi awa get away me no wrong? Mani bu magba egbe ne platform ore. Be na say where if you donire go e Brocus all nu ya no zedo wo to edo no do otobani ya edo. Do you know that? A more na bien va bet when you trace their great grandfather who do bere wetin yan do. Do marry zedo. Ona do robi we gba we are robi mani. So e me no say ni vie do na him ya wasi ano we mi no robi o tone do agbena ni gbe eni ka o ba te
mama eni
ka o bi na. So no wa ya si wa re ro na the romance bro.
Amare ro amanya we no romance. We no romance e ma ni we chopa ya o na fwe u tan ya be.
Let me talk.
E ma ni we chopa we.
My sister Wesley
my sister don't say that. Don't talk about picture. What are you saying? People carry pictures for reality. You are not saying does that even make sense?
You put your own picture.
Don Prince yati gwan ya because ya we need ukbana yati gwan.
Camera when you be do abege we.
Yeah, we need a camera. In a yard camera, you camera. O me ni ata la. O me ni ata. Yeah, idina o me ni ata. O me ni ata wala o. Wake mi ivie de sonori masin wake mira me fugbe ira no nye gbe biere wake mi e fugbe osi enu wanibun wa na ri weru wa bo ju waka o amoda kaya adie azagba ma na ke ni noise ni kiri do mani ati mute ideni ru cameraman wa degi me lo de capta sin isi agbada wo no gun a ili e ko ma gun even ka ewe ivie de soma wake mira no bi me wa mi o efugbe o si enu wa na ri weru wa na ri ogiju wa lele wa na de do atami me na matin wa na do atami me we erie mi ni wata eri me ma o ni merie advice erie wana na no so na nia odu wa begbewe watie bon erime wa so tania wo bairu wa no o hama mu wa ri ma gbeku wa era no nye gbe bi me wana do weru wa ju wa ka o wa iro yeri me wa to wa ni bun no egun asin o wa me lucky we one on one u tama me ni face to face we o mana era no u fi pe di era no bi me u wi mo daka ni ya go egun aba
we Brocus ni go egun iya e ma we sin e ma na fi pe gira obe do pe gira
dame ho Iman la ke man no play pretense. I'm a transparent person. Il est rien. Il ban rien all over the full world.
Okay, but na itamu we na.
Dame ho. Erimeni an fiuk begi. We go ba fiuk begi rimea. E ma die platform ine. Nya ngene bi yo bi. La wagumegwa ya ki platform iban I hem aniti no yo duhun I me record wa ya why si platform ya mo pichije me la dia waro yira me ro bijeme erije me no biat of wedlock e yo na eme ya fefefe no wa de no wa keep record e keep record ba ma mu wa ya fefefe awagba ma udege dona wa o ne do ma o ma ni ma ya wa o na zaga alivie ibi ro pa sun ke be se azagba na gwa venu wa we
government no ya ligie do government ngeri oni
dame ho yeah, to finish if I cannot talk me yak your woman.
What you are doing now, what you are doing is not nice. Hey, I saw my pay. Who was so do my pay the priest. Urobiera me robiera balance.
No zobowo. If you may tell you something.
Urobiera balance. Wasu.
So if you may tell you something.
The priest, can I speak?
Yeah, to finish the attack. Finish the attack.
The priest, can I speak so I can go down?
Finish oh, still tell me ata dia ti
one minute.
Don't priest to ama bagbon. Eri na na nu do we de na 6 months ago. You got all the way now. Mana a platform a Brocus.
Mama, madala ki camera we like we.
Is there any a problem ironi? Emmanuel Bonsu, ma weni akie o.
No, emada ikuno.
No, Emmanuel Bonsu, ma weni akie o.
I want maybe they start in Edo, say na be wa. Here's what I camera. Anybody know my camera? Mama, anybody know go on man camera if you want to support Bini with your full chest.
Mama, Mary Manasi, but
no problem, you are very well. So 6 months ago, me ya la platform a Brocus say 6 months ago. Wa sunu nina baba. Mana do mi e video pa ne ibi o kia mi pe. So e mana hin oduku makawale le Brocus. Ki make ye